Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the baby version of the Ice King. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this baby Ice King, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first, and we're going to draw it nice and big. And this is going to be the top of his eyes. Just drawing two slants like this first. And then from there, we're just gonna draw in almost like a half circle from the corners. And then from there, we're gonna draw in the hoodie on the inside. So just come to the side here. We're just gonna draw one big dome shape all the way around. And then from the side here, we're gonna continue it down. So hopefully these little baby characters will be a little bit easier to draw than my other ones. Okay, so once you have that, just round it off, and then we're gonna come across and just close it off. And then on the inside here, for the eyes, and then once we have this, we're gonna draw in those little spikes on his head. So we're gonna start right here, just kind of come out. And then we're gonna go up straight. So it's gonna go up quite a bit. And then from there, from the tip, gonna come down. Just gonna curve it down. And then we'll just kind of tuck it right in. Alright, and then once we have that, now we can draw in the outside of the hoodie. So we're gonna finish up the head. Just kind of come around side to side, and then we're going to continue this right behind those spikes, so the horns. Let's come down, and then we got to curve this. Just close everything off. So that's pretty much the head, and we're going to finish up those there's two more of these little spikes on the end. So right here we're just going to go up and just come back down. Alright, and then for the body here, we're going to draw in these little two, I don't know what they are, looks like buttons. Let's draw two big circles like this first. And then inside, we're just going to draw in a triangle. Okay, and then for the chest plate here, we're going to draw in just one curve side to side. And then now we're gonna fill in the rest of the body here. So we're gonna come down and then curve this. This is gonna be his hip, his waist area. And let's just add a little bit of detail in here for his armor. Okay, and then for his shoulder here, we're gonna slant out. And then just curve it back in. So we're gonna keep it simple. So right underneath the circle there. So right here, we're gonna go out and just curve it all the way in. Okay, and then for the arm, it's really simple. We're gonna come over here on the outside first. Just gonna draw one curve all the way down. And then once we're here, just kind of hook it back up. From here, so this is gonna be his fist. I know we're kind of working backwards, but it's probably the easiest way to draw this. Now we're gonna go back up here on the armpit area. We're just gonna curve it and just connect that. So that's gonna be his arm. So same thing here, come around here and we're gonna curve all the way down. You can use the other side for reference. Slant up. Angle it back up again. Come back to the armpit here. Just curve and just connect that. And then one little mark for his fist, the thumb. And then for the details here, we're just gonna keep it simple. Just draw one slant. Alright, so now we can move on to the lower body. And we got drawing the little cloth here in the middle first. So we're gonna continue this. Let's go all the way down. We'll close it. And then before we draw in the details, let's just go ahead and finish up his legs. Alright, so we're going to start back up here. I'm going to draw one curve. It's all the way down here, almost to the bottom of this. Come back up here. Curve. And then we'll just close it off. And then for the shoe, we're just going to draw in the dome shape, curve. Curve out. Close it. Okay, same thing on the other side. So we're gonna go start here. Just go curve all the way down here. Use the other side for reference. Start back up here. Curve. Close it. And same thing here. Dome shape coming down. Let's come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off. And then for the details on the shoe, we're just gonna come back up here. Or his boot. We're just gonna draw one curve side to side. And then in here, we're gonna draw one more curve. Just a little bit more detail in the armor. Okay, so now we can finish it off with some detail on the cloth here. Right on the corner here, just draw like a little, kind of like a half circle coming in. And the inside, we'll add in a circle. On the bottom here, just drawing two slants like this. And then some details here. So this one's gonna be really long. We're gonna come down. Then one more here. So this is almost like a bar. And we're gonna draw one more on the side here. So this is the actual line. So this is gonna be one line. And then we're gonna start up here. And as we get down, just kind of close it nice and sharp. And that is it for this baby Ice King. Hope you guys like the style of this. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.